Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, RSI and divergence show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved down with around 3.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 2,334. And the move wasn't very strong as the volume wasn't very high. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 20 SMA to the downside but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price which is around 2,344. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 2,395. The ribbon is relatively spread out so the resistance should be considered. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 44, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, there is a bullish divergence, which means we can expect the price going up or at least to remain stable for some time. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 2,417. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 2,450. The resistance should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 39. So there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA which is currently at 18.41 it could be seen as a support and the 100 SMA that is at 2,486 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 2,625. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 42, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.